Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Colombia, the unlimited data. So actually guys, and before we get started, I will need to mention that you will need to click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course in the end of that video I'm going to show you how you can exactly install the eSIM app and its profile inside or in both devices, the iOS and the Androids. So actually guys, first you will need to go ahead and scroll to the list right here of the countries and find Colombia, or you can just go ahead with the search bar right here where do you need the internet and just look for Colombia, right? So this is the country, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will need to go ahead with the number of days right here. So the eSIM provide or give you the option to select from 1 day to a month, which is very good with good prices, right? So actually guys, if you are going to stay for a couple of days, you will need to go ahead and select them. So for example, I will go with 70 days, right? So for it's for $100. 102.4, and then just go ahead and select the number of the eSIMs. Okay, so you'll get 10% off for 2 eSIMs or more, as you can see right here, and then just go with the checkout. So here guys, where you can choose a payment method, so eSIM provides you with multiple payments methods. So you can go with Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, pay with card, Klarna, Wind, Stripe, even crypto, right? So you only need to choose your payments method and then just go with the pay right here and follow the prompts. So actually guys, now I'm going to show you how you can install the eSIM on the iPhone devices. So actually guys, at first you will need to get the eSIM app from the Apple App Store, and then just go to the eSIM page, as you can see right here, and tap on install, as you can see, right? So now you'll need to go and select the eSIM plan as your mobile data and the eSIM or the primary as your default line. So then you will need to go ahead and turn on the line and the data roaming. So that's the first method. The second one is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to the mobile data option inside your device settings, go ahead with add data plan. You go with use QR code option, scan the QR code right there, choose primary as your default line and the eSIM as the mobile data. Now you all need to turn on both options as before. So guys, for the Android, you will need, actually at first you get the app, of course, or the eSIM app. It's available also on the Google Play Store, get it from there, and then just go ahead to the help center of the app, go ahead with the eSIM installation option, and then you will need to go with the install right here, install option. So then you will need to go with go to settings option, as you can see, and activate the eSIM and SIM manager and enable the data roaming. Then just restart your phone if necessary or requested. So that's the first method. Second one is to go with your device settings, go with two connections option, go with SIM card manager option inside the connections, then add mobile plan. So right there you will need to scan the QR code, as you can see in the screenshot, and then you will need to go with or to turn on the data roaming. So if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Colombia, once again, click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.